Sprinting to the future of law. A drop in the ocean. Roving the seven seas with sea drones. Part 5. Some operational and environmental concerns with sea drones. In the previous part of this issue, we discussed some legal and regulatory issues with sea drones. In this part, we will look at some operational and environmental considerations with sea drones. Operating sea drones, especially near naval, commercial, and other assets and infrastructure, raise concerns related to security and defense. After observing the devastating effects of the military use of sea drones by Ukraine and Houthi rebels, many nations are rethinking their defense of naval assets and installations against sea drones. Their first concern of action is to ban sea drones or significantly curtail the area in which they can operate. However, this can vary from country to country. The concerns are not just for the offensive use for the purpose of assault, but also about reconnaissance by sea drones. Operators must be aware of any restrictions or prohibitions on the use of sea drones in certain areas to avoid repercussions. There are environmental concerns with sea drones too. Some USV or UUVs may be equipped with mechanical capabilities like robotic arms that enable them to interact with their surroundings. In such interactions, they may harm or disturb aquatic plants or wildlife, especially those considered endangered species. Moreover, sea drones may cause chemical pollution during their production or during their operations due to a malfunction or a collision. Also, their propulsion systems may cause noise pollution, which can affect communication, navigation, and social behavior of marine life, especially those who are dependent on sonar and bioacoustics. Overall, sea drones can enable us to explore the unexplored vast oceans of our Earth, strengthen maritime logistics and transportation, help develop aquaculture and fisheries, and more effectively monitor ocean health and endangered marine species. We will benefit from new knowledge and capabilities provided by sea drones. However, we need to establish legal and operational guidelines to benefit fully from this promising technology.